How to connect Android to Windows 11. Connecting your Android phone to your computer opens up a world of possibilities, allowing you to transfer files, manage notifications, send and receive text messages, transfer photos, and even call someone directly on your PC. So, if you are ready to establish a seamless connection between your Android device and Windows 11, stick around as we guide you through the steps. So, let's get started. First, click on Start menu. Then click on All apps. Scroll down. Select Phone Link app. It's a pre-built app on Windows 11. Pick your phone. Click on Android. Now sign in Microsoft account. Then go to your phone. Now on your phone, download the app from Play Store. After installation complete, open it. After open the app, click on Link your phone and PC. Now from PC, check the box, then click on Pair with QR code. Then a QR code will generate. Scan the QR code with your phone. After scanning QR code, both devices will be paired. Then allow all permission the app wants. Click on the Continue button on PC. Then tap Done. Now allow notification access from phone. Click on Open Settings on phone. Then notification access will pop up on phone. Toggle on the link to Windows. Wait 10 seconds. Then tap OK. You can now access various features on your Windows 11 computer. You can view and reply to notifications, send and receive text message, transfer photos, and even call someone directly on your PC. That's it. You now know how to connect your Android device to Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our Tutorial River channel for more videos.